Our glass safety stickers are the perfect solution and easy to apply. All you'll need is window cleaner, kitchen roll, masking tape, pen, spray bottle, a squeegee, and measuring tape. Ensure you thoroughly clean the glass before application. Apply a strip of masking tape across the glass at the desired height, ensuring it is level. Using a ruler or measuring tape, measure and mark the desired spacing for your stickers. We recommend spacing the stickers 10 cm apart. Spray a fine mist of water onto the glass and onto each sticker. Peel off each sticker, spray and apply directly to the glass. Once you're happy with the position, squeegee out the excess water. You can buy our squeegees at Stickers4.com or simply use a credit card. Peel the masking tape off and dry the excess water. We have different designs available. Visit our store at Stickers4.com to browse the range.